Today we've got something a little different for you. We have a 911 Turbo S and it's coming in for some chassis work because it's had some brand new HRE wheels installed. Now we've just jacked that ride height up that little bit too much, so we are installing some KW adjustable springs. So first things first, we're checking the ride height where it is standard so we can then make our adjustments from there. Then begin to remove the wheels and the suspension system in order to fit the new stuff. Now that the new suspension system is installed, all we've got left to do is set the ride height to where the customer wants it. Now, he's specified that he wants it just a little bit lower than it would have been stock. So obviously the new wheels on have jacked the car right up because they're a larger wheel, they're really nice HRE wheels. We want to set it back down to stock and then just a little bit more because we don't want to go mad low with it because the car's pretty low anyway. Now, I just wanted to pause and talk to you about this spring setup because it's really cool. And on the videos you might be thinking, why have they got adjusters when they're not coilovers? Now, these springs come in at about £1,000 and they are ride height adjustable springs. So what that means is Porsche's PASM suspension system still works with these springs, and it means you're not paying out the nose for a coilover system that works with the suspension system or deletes it. So you retain the PASM and you get adjustable ride height. Also, these springs are available with a front nose lift kit as well if you want that extra clearance at the front. And there you have it, guys. The car is fully set up with its brand new KW height adjustable spring kit. It's all aligned back to Porsche's specifications. We've not done a custom alignment on this because the Porsche alignment specs from Porsche are actually pretty perfect anyway. There's no reason to want to adjust them for a road / sometimes track car. So we've set it up, we've tested it, it's absolutely amazing. What a difference it's made to the ride height and the ride itself. If you want to know more or have any questions, if you want to get booked in for this service, just contact us, let us know. Thank you guys for watching, we'll see you next time.